Experiment 3. Single cylinder two-stroke petrol engine. The aim of this experiment is to determine the performance characteristic of the single cylinder two-stroke petrol engine by keeping speed constant on variable load. The apparatus we require are two-stroke petrol engine, stopwatch, measuring pan, manometer, air filter, dynamometer, orifice and digital temperature indicator. Other quantities to be filled in the table are specifications, rating, features or properties and quantity. So here the procedure is described. There are total 11 steps to be followed. First one is to put sufficient petrol along with 2% self-mixing 2T oil in the tank. Check oil level in gearbox of the engine. If necessary, add up SAE 40 oil. Oil level should always be up to the oil filling hole. Confirm that the engine is in neutral gear and ignition switch is on. Start water supply to calorimeter and brake drum. Pull the choke knob and give a sharp kick. Engine will start. As the engine starts, release the choke knob, pull the clutch lever and put the engine in the fourth gear. Slowly increase the accelerator and set the engine speed to say 2500 rpm. Put load on the engine say 5 kg. Fill the burette filling cock. Note down time for 10 ml fuel consumption, manometer difference, spring balance difference, calorimeter water flow rate and brake drum speed. Note down and temperature from T1 to T4. Increase the load by twisting the load screw. Keep the speed constant with the help of accelerator and repeat the procedure for different loads. So here the observation table is provided. We have to note 5 readings. The first is brake drum speed, that is RPM, load in kg, time for 10 ml fuel, manometer difference, time for 1 liter calorimeter, water inlet temperature to calorimeter, water outlet temperature to calorimeter, that is T2, exhaust gas temperature before calorimeter and exhaust gas temperature after calorimeter. Here the formulas are given for the calculation. The brake power BP is equal to 2 pi nt upon 60,000 into 0.95 plus blower power in kilowatt, whatever you get, where T is equal to load into 9.81, that is gravity, into effective brake radius in Newton into meter. For fuel consumption, this formula is to be followed. For specific fuel consumption, SFC is equal to FC by BP kg per kilowatt hour. Heat supplied by fuel, heat equivalent to BP, brake thermal efficiency, all these formulas are given. We have to put the values and we'll get all the answer. See, this is air fuel ratio Ma upon Fc, heat carried away by the exhaust gases from the heat balance of calorimeter. Here all the specification and nomenclature is given. So at last we have to write down the conclusion, that what we have concluded in this experiment. And these are some of the logical questions to be answered. Give basic components of petrol engine. What is scavenging? Okay, so this is the experiment 3 of IC engine.